I'm John from Sanfu Irrigation. Today I'm going to show you how to install the HY spray tube system. Okay, now I'm going to introduce the 5 components of the HY spray tube system. So first, we need a PVC or PE pipe. This will act as our main water source. Next, we need a 17-bolt drill with a 27mm drill bit. We need our 3/4 inch valve, a 3/4 inch clamp, a roll of the 3/4 inch HY spray tube, and lastly, we need an end clip. Now I'm going to use our drill and our 27mm drill bit to drill into the PVC pipe. Okay, now that we've drilled our hole into the PVC pipe, it's very important to rinse out any drill debris from the PVC pipe prior to further installation. If you know the row spacing of your field, pre-drilling your holes is a good way to save time during installation. First, you can mark off the desired width based on your field dimensions. Second, use a 27mm drill bit and a drill press to drill the holes. Remember to rinse out any drill debris from the pipe. Now you are ready for a quick and easy setup in the field. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to install the valve and the rubber clamp. So first, we have to insert the rubber clamp into the PVC pipe. If you think it's too tight, you can use a little oil around the edge to make it go in easier. Now we have our rubber clamp in, now we can insert the valve. So we'll insert the valve on an angle for easier insertion. Now our next step is to attach the spray tube to the valve. So what we do is take our spray tube and simply cover the valve and push it on. Next, we fold the spray tube just a little bit and attach the ring. Now this ring acts as our seal to prevent any leakage. If you want to snug or make it tight, simply give it a pull. Now, if you want to remove the spray tube from the valve, simply remove the ring and just push it back just like this. It's just that easy. Now our next step is to roll out the spray tube to the desired length that we need. I'm just going to roll it out a few feet just for an example. Now we can cut off. Okay, now our last step is to seal off the spray tube. What we have is our end and our end clip. Simply open the end clip, have a small fold at the end of the spray tube, and simply seal it off. If conditions on your farm are windy, you can use some hooks to stabilize the spray tube. And there you have it. As you can see, the spray tube system can be easily installed for any farming application. Okay, now here we have the Sanfu 2-inch mesh filter. We have our inflow from our water source and our outflow to our field. So what we can see here is our mesh filter. Okay, here we have the connectors to our filter system. This will connect to our PVC piping, and this end connects to our filter system. Once everything is connected, we finally connect the metal ring to our filter system. This filter can be used for all Sanfu irrigation systems. Okay, now we have our 2-inch filter system here with both of our connectors and an example here in the field. This is our inflow and outflow. We recommend the 2-inch filter for all of our irrigation systems at Sanfu. Now I'd like to introduce to you Sanfu's fertilizer injection system. How does this system work? Well, first we have the inflow of water, our regulator for our fertilizer, and a mesh filter at the end of our fertilizer source. So what we do is insert this into our fertilizer, pressurize our system, water will enter the system, we can regulate the concentration of our fertilizer, mixing will occur, and out comes our mixed fertilizer and water source. Thanks for watching. You can learn more about us on the web at www.irri.com.tw.